How to make a watermark using Canva. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you yet another Canva tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can make your very own personal watermark just by using Canva. Now, this is going to be a very simple, easy, and quick tutorial. Don't worry, it's not that difficult. I'm just going to take you through the whole process. I'm going to guide you through it and make sure to follow every single step that I do. And once you do that, by the end of this video, you're going to know how to make your very own watermark. So without further ado, we're just going to get right into it. So we're going to go on canva.com. Now, once you're on Canva, the one thing you need to know is you're going to need to know how Canva works and how to work around with the basic features. So if you don't know about that, you can go and check my other video in which I've explained how you can use Canva. It's a basic Canva tutorial, and I have taught the basic features and the advanced features regarding Canva, and I've explained the whole interface. I've explained what these things are. I explained what all this does. I explained how to create the design. I explained what all this is. I've explained all of it, and it's a very simple and easy tutorial, so don't worry, you're gonna understand really quick. And once you have, you're gonna come back here and we're gonna get started. So we need to create our own watermark. Now, there's going to be three types of watermarks. So that totally depends on you, on what type of watermark you want. So let's get into it. Let's go and write watermark. So once we write watermark, we can see all these suggested templates. We're just going to click on see all. Once we click on see all, it takes us to these. Now, these are proper watermarks. So let's click on any one of them we like this one. Let's click on this one. Now, as we go here we go. And now what we're going to do is we're going to change this text to our own. Look at how amazing this watermark looks, by the way. So for example, if our brand is called John Leahy, let's say. So I'm just going to name it JL, and let's call it a media studies studio, and then I'm gonna write that again. You know what? No, let's write photography courses, and then you can just write videography courses. So yeah, that's about it. You know what? Wait, photography courses. Yeah. So yeah, that's how it's gonna look, and you can change the style. So for example, if you don't like this cream color in the background, you can change it to this. Obviously that doesn't go along with that at all. So you can change it to this. You can change it to what you basically can change it to whatever you think looks best, whatever you deem best. So yeah, I'm just going to change the color of the text just to show you what it's supposed to look like. Yeah. So basically this is how it's all gonna look. I'm gonna make this white as well. So yeah, this is how it's all gonna look. Now let's use this as a watermark for now. Okay, so we're just gonna go on share. We're gonna go on download. We're gonna go on PNG, of course, and we're gonna download it. And once we download it, let's just keep it on the side for now. Let's just keep it in our downloads and forget about it for a few seconds. Now what I want you to do is this is one type of watermark. Now the other watermark is purely just a PNG. Now this is obviously a whole picture with a background. The other watermark is just a logo without any background. So we're gonna go ahead and make that as well, because many people prefer that type as well. So how do you make that? What we're gonna do is we're gonna go on elements. Now, for example, our company is about shoes. So I'm going to write shoes in elements. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to think the best one. And once I take that, I'm going to put it in the center. And then I'm going to go on text. I'm going to try to find a text that I think suits best. Yeah, let's take that one. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to go in here, John Leahy. I'm going to I'm going to grab it, bring it up. I'm going to yeah, that looks better. And once that is done, what I'm gonna do is just take some small text like this one, and what I'm gonna do is bring this down here. I'm just gonna add some text like best shoes you can wear. So we're just gonna write that down. I'm gonna make sure it's in the middle. And once you do that, you're just gonna go on share, gonna go on download, gonna go on PNG, and you're gonna download this as well. Now let's keep all of this on the side. And now what we're gonna wanna do is I'm gonna show you how you can make your very own, basically how you can paste your watermark on a normal picture. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So I'm just gonna open one of my old projects just to show it to you real quick. For example, yeah, let's go to this one. So this is one of my old projects in which I was editing this picture of mine. So for example, I've taken this picture, but I don't want anyone plagiarizing it or taking the credit from me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload my watermark on this. Now you can either just take this and just put it anywhere in the picture like that. So, okay, this is one type of watermark that you can portray in your photo. But obviously people do this and I have no issue with this, but it just kills the vibe of the whole picture. Like just having this different colored watermark just down there. Now, obviously you can make it look kind of better with just playing with the transparency. Like that looks much better. And this is the second type of watermark, which is basically the first variation but with the transparency low. So this looks much better. You can even go lower than that. So yeah, this is what it's supposed to look like. You can even make this bigger. Like you can bring it all over that. And wait a second. And then you can just make sure the opacity is lower. And yeah, once you do that, look, it still ruins the vibe of the image. That's why I don't recommend people doing this. So what I would do is I would not do this. I would use this. And because it's just a white image, you know? And a white image doesn't really ruin the vibe of the picture. So look at that. Look at that. It's a white image and it doesn't really overpower the image. And if you still think it overpowers it, you can just go on transparency, make it more transparent, and there you go. No, wait a second. Yeah, there you go. It doesn't overpower the image and people can see your watermark. Or you can just, again, bring it down here. It's a white watermark, so it doesn't overpower your image. So make sure to keep the transparency to a low. And yeah, there you go. This way you can add watermarks in your photos. So I've told you how to create your watermarks. I've told you how you can add them. And obviously once you've done that, you're just going to go on share and you're going to download it. So yeah, that's how easy it was. And that's how simple and quick it was to do this. So yeah, if you have any more queries related to this video, let me know down in the comments and I'll get back to you and I'll help you with them. And if you want to see more videos like this, which are related to Canva, you can tell me and I will make them for you. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. Make sure to share the video as much as you can and leave a nice comment if you like the video. Till then, I hope you all have a great day. That's all from me. Goodbye.